Meditation for abundance on this Navroz. Let us begin this Navroz, a new year, with a beautiful, abundant meditation. I'm Laila Ahmed, an intuitive trainer, author, and a therapist. You can listen to this meditation with your eyes open, or you can close your eyes, focus on your breathing, and listen to it. This meditation needs to be repeated for 11 days. I am now filled with the ever abundant light of my God. This God force flows through me. Thus, I am a masterpiece. I now make conscious contact with my God. I bring my mind to the beauty of this moment, thanking the universe that this moment is all I have. I am filled with gratitude that all my power is in the now, and I fully enjoy this moment, this peace. I now feel all the love that God flows through and to me in every moment. This knowledge gives me strength and knowing that all things are possible. There is no need to ever worry about where my supply will come from as I relax into the knowledge that my God self supplies everything I need with ease. I now release attachment to any outcome. I release the need for anyone to do anything or be different than they are. I connect back to my power now, my God source. This divine energy that flows through me is my supply. Thus, I am blessed and abundant on all levels. My God is never ending love, and all I need to do is remember this and my connection in order to be filled on all levels. Contentment and satisfaction are mine now. I now let go of the belief that any person, place, or things can supply me. My God self is my supply. I remember that this bountiful God is who I am. My awareness of this opens the flow of abundance now. Together, divine fine count. Together, divine fine count. Together, divine fine count.